Hey everyone! If you have been using the Deepseek app and wondering on how to change language on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language in the Deepseek app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Deepseek app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto two lines at the top left corner just right here. Then here you can find your Google account just right here at the bottom. Now select it. Then scroll down and here you can find the app language option just right here. Now to change it, simply tap on it. And the app will guide you with the phone settings just right here. Now tap on to language just right here. Then here you can find the language just right here. Now select the one that you want to add, just like this. And by selecting the language, you can change the language. And that's it. This is how you can change language in the Deepseek app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.